Hi, I'm Michelle, and here with me today on bdTV, I have Dr. Claude Saliou, the Director of Research and Development at Johnson & Johnson. Claude, thanks so much for coming in today. Aveeno is known for its inclusion of active naturals in its products. What exactly are these?
Well, active naturals are natural ingredients that are taking all the power of nature, and in Aveeno we've been able to harness the power of natural ingredients like soy and oatmeal and few and deliver them to the skin as true benefits.
So how are these active naturals found?
We often start with screening a multitude of different extracts. So a lot of the science go around understanding the ingredient itself, both biologically and also chemically. So we characterize fully our actives, but then also it's how we formulate them. And formulating an active natural is very different than formulating a regular ingredient in the way that active naturals are very complex ingredients, and we want to preserve the stability of the actives that they contain, and the stability of the product. And how we deliver those actives to the skin.
What are the properties in soy that make it an efficacious skincare ingredient?
Well, we identified some small proteins in soy that could work actually on a protein in the skin that was sort of like the door between the cell manufacturing the pigment and the cells using the pigment, so the keratinocytes. And once we had identified the biology of the transfer, we were able to identify then particular proteins that could block that mechanism, and identify then in the soy actually that those proteins were present. And we eventually prepared this soy extract that contained these proteins.
How did you discover that feverfew extract could be used in skincare?
It took us many years and years of testing many different extracts. One of the issues with feverfew, the original feverfew, was that it contained some molecules, components that could sensitize the skin, so to cause some skin allergies. So we looked at characterizing the extract, removing those components out of the extract, obviously, and then understanding actually what the other components of feverfew, how could they work. And we found that actually they were extremely active, very good antioxidants, work on many different free radicals, but also with the capability of soothing and calming irritated skin.
How do natural active ingredients compare to chemically engineered ones?
They are multi-components, so it's not just one single molecule in the extract, but there are many different components. So for instance, in the total soy, we have proteins, we have also some vitamins like vitamin A, you have molecules like isoflavones, you have also some sugars. So all of those actually will work in synergy with each other to get towards the benefit of even tone and texture. So like the sugars, they attract water, so when you apply that on the skin, they will bring also the moisture into the skin. The oils also that are there, they are great emollients, so they will help to protect the skin barrier. Of course, the vitamin is essential, the vitamin E, for instance, and the soy is actually very rich in a particular form of vitamin E, particularly the gamma-tocopherol, which is also another source of, it's another soothing agent for the skin. And of course the protein that I mentioned earlier, which are great in regulating your skin tone.
Can a natural active ingredient ever reverse the signs of aging?
Oh, absolutely, and we have actually some clinical data to show that the use of total soy for up to 12 weeks, in our study, we could see clear clinical benefits that was graded by dermatologists, but also the subjects found a great improvement in their uneven tone and texture.
Who will benefit most from using products with the soy extract in it?
Someone who has some uneven skin tone, but uneven skin tone also occurs with aging and will be even accentuated with aging.
In what Aveeno products will the soy extract be found?
We have it in the Positively Radiant line of products. I know they are, I understand in Australia there were two that were recently introduced, some tinted and also another product for the eye. So, but we do have other facial products in other markets, so like in the US, where other active naturals are used.
Claude, thanks so much for coming in to talk to us today.